What if you could make real money without a degree, without experience, and without working 9 to 5? In 2026, thousands of people are doing exactly that, using AI tools that anyone can access for free. I'm going to show you 5 specific methods. No fluff, no hype, just what's actually working right now. AI is no longer just a tech thing. It's become the biggest income opportunity of this decade. You don't need to build AI. You just need to use it better than the average person. Here are the 5 best ways to do that in 2026. The fastest way to make money with AI right now is freelancing. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are flooded with people who need AI help. Writing, editing, social media, and more. You use ChatGPT to do the work in minutes. You charge the client for hours. A basic AI writing package on Fiverr can earn $50 to $300 per project. And the best part? You can start with zero experience and learn as you go. This is exactly what I'm doing right now. And it's one of the highest CPM niches on YouTube. AI tech channels earn between $15 and $25 per 1,000 views from AdSense alone. The formula. Use AI to write the script. Use 11 Labs for the voiceover. Use CapCut to edit. Upload. All free tools. Zero face on camera required. The key is consistency. Publish twice a week and let the algorithm find you. Businesses need content, blog posts, emails, social media captions, product descriptions. They don't want to write it. You can use AI to produce it in minutes and charge professional rates. A freelance content package, 4 blog posts per month, can earn $400 to $1,200 per client. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Jasper let you produce professional quality work at 10 times the speed. This one pays the most, but takes a little more learning. Businesses want to automate repetitive tasks. Think email replies, customer support, social media scheduling. You use tools like Zapier and Make to build simple AI automations. No coding required. Then charge businesses a monthly retainer, anywhere from $300 to $2,000 per month. One client, one automation, recurring income. Every AI tool, ChatGPT Plus, Jasper, 11 Labs, Pictory, has an affiliate program. You recommend the tool. Someone signs up, you get paid. Jasper AI pays up to $100 per referral. 11 Labs pays 22% recurring commission. Combine this with a YouTube channel or blog, and you have passive income that pays you while you sleep. Those are your 5 methods. Here's my advice. Pick one. Just one. Start this week. Most people watch videos like this and do nothing. Don't be that person. If this helped you, hit subscribe. I post new AI money strategies every week. I'll see you in the next one.